New Game Pass exclusive looks like a modern BioShock RPG. In a surprise announcement during the Summer Game Fest Xbox Showcase, InXile, the renowned RPG studio, unveiled their newest project, Clockwork Revolution. Imagine a game that blends the aesthetics of Dishonored and BioShock set in a captivating alternate universe known as Clockwork Punk. This highly anticipated RPG marks a significant departure from InXile's traditional isometric CRPG design, embracing a first-person perspective reminiscent of the iconic BioShock and Dishonored franchises. From the stunning announcement trailer, it's clear that Clockwork Revolution is shaping up to be a remarkable experience. InXile, known for their RPG mastery with titles like Wasteland 2 and 3 and the Planescape Torment sequel Tides of Numenera, has captivated gamers once again. Co-founded by the visionary Brian Fargo, the studio's acquisition by Microsoft in 2018 has paved the way for its latest creation. In this intriguing game, Clockwork Revolution takes us to a steampunk adjacent reality where clockwork mechanism lies at the heart of all machinery. The city of Avalon, a meticulously crafted world, awaits our exploration. But here's the twist: our journey begins with time travel. As our character travels back in time, we uncover a city shaped by the alteration of historical events. Avalon, discovered through careful manipulation of time, holds the power to change the future through butterfly effects. The game's YouTube description describes it as a time-bending steampunk first-person RPG promising an engaging and immersive experience. The time travel device, known as the chronometer, is something we will be using ourselves as we explore the world of the Clockwork Revolution. On the top of this, the gameplay sequences shown in the trailer depict first-person gunplay using a variety of muskets and other, more technically advanced pieces of equipment that function much the same. However, it is important to know that InXile is still in the pre-alpha stage, meaning there's more to come. InXile is the developer team behind Clockwork Revolution, with this being its first title published by Xbox Games Studio. Naturally, you probably know InXile best from its work on Wasteland series, the precursor to the Fallout franchise. So while we eagerly anticipate more news, let's revel in the excitement and potential of the Clockwork Revolution. With its departure from InXile's traditional design, the studio's foray into a first-person RPG style has caught the attention of gamers worldwide. Together, we'll embark on an unforgettable journey through Avalon, altering the course of history and shaping a steampunk masterpiece. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling preview of Clockwork Revolution. Stay tuned for updates and be sure to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest gaming news and releases. Until next time, happy gaming!